Hello, my name is Mike Enix, Sales Manager for Techniks. Today we're going to talk about ShrinkFIT technology. Specifically, I'm going to demonstrate the ShrinkPRO Quencher machine. When consumers are evaluating a ShrinkFIT solution, there's typically three decision criteria that almost always come up. They want the machine to be productive, they want the machine to be reliable, and they want the machine to be safe. This unit is built entirely in Indianapolis, Indiana, so we control every aspect of the manufacturing process. What I'd first like to do is give you a brief overview of the machine, and then we're going to do a demonstration where I shrink a 1/2 inch diameter cutting tool into a Cat 40 tool holder. This unit will work on both 208 3-phase power as well as 480 volt 3-phase power. It has an internal transformer. Its optimal performance is going to be when it's hooked up to 480 volt 3-phase. This is the induction head of the machine here. I've got about 24 inches of travel, so if you have long reach cutting tools or if you have tool holders with a long gauge length, there's plenty of distance here to shrink long length tooling. The induction coils, you'll get all the induction coils with the machine. So if you're doing small diameter tools or bigger diameter, maybe 1 inch or 1.25 inches, these all come with the machine, as well as the spindle adapters, whether you're doing 30 taper, HSK, or in our case today with a Cat 40 tool. The machine has an extremely easy to use touchscreen display. It requires no formal training whatsoever. Simply select the diameter of the tool that you want to shrink. In our case again today it's going to be a 1/2 inch tool. The machine will also display in both fractional and metric sizes if you so choose. What we're going to do is we're going to drop the induction head down. It does not need to make direct contact with the tool holder itself. In fact, you want it to be about 1/4 inch above the nose of the tool holder. Wear your ShrinkFIT glove, very important, although you'll notice I never have to handle a hot tool holder with our process. The machine comes factory preset with different times for different diameters, although this is adjustable. The machine will always remember the last shrink time for various diameters that you have it set. The red button is my start button. You'll notice it only takes about 3 seconds or so to get the tool holder hot, so it'll expand and accept the cutting tool. I'm going to drop the tool holder in, and I can hit the quench start. The machine's hooked up to 90 psi shop air. That's going to allow it to lift the tool holder up and also dry it off with a series of 4 fans. This quench process takes about 30 seconds. There's a reservoir, a mixture of coolant and water. I don't need my ShrinkFIT glove because, again, I'm never going to have to handle a tool holder that's hot. Dry off the excess moisture from the tool holder and I'm ready to go. Now, shrinking out a tool works very similar. I would extract the worn cutting tool, insert the new one, and I'm off and running. This entire process again takes to heat about 5 seconds, to cool is about 30 seconds. Again, the machine will do carbide and high-speed steel. It's going to do a variety of tool diameters. It's extremely safe. I never have to handle a tool holder while it's hot. I can do long reach tooling. And the machine's built in Indianapolis, Indiana, so we're going to offer factory direct support. I appreciate your time today. Please give us a call for a no-risk trial on any ShrinkFIT machine Techniks has to offer. Thank you.